Little turtle woke today. Sunlight danced where he lay. Time to explore, he thought with glee. What wonders wait for him to see? Step by step he moves along, humming a little turtle song. Hello, little bird, so bright and sweet. Shall we sing and tap our feet? A butterfly dances in the air. Colors shimmer everywhere. Turtle try to run so fast, but slow and steady would last. Audio cue, slow footstep sounds, gentle playful melody. Hello, Mr. Frog, how do you do? Would you like to jump too? Frog jumps high with such delight. Turtle smiles at the joyful sight. Squirrels play, they jump and run. Turtle waves and joins the fun. Up the hill he slowly goes. Step by step, that's how it flows. From the top, the forest wide, all his friends are by his side. Owl says patience is your key. Take your time and you will see. Turtle listens, wise and slow, understanding how to grow. By the stream he finds a trail. Flowing water tells a tale. Fish swim fast in silver light. Turtle smiles at their flight. Turtle rests beneath the shade, thinking of the friends he made. Homeward bound, slow and kind, patience grows within his mind. Goodbye, friends, see you soon. Under the sun or under the moon. Back at home he takes a rest, knowing patience is the best. Dreams of friends and lessons learned, little turtle's heart has turned.